Welcome back to the e-commerce knowledge in under 5 minute series, where I share quick insights to help you grow your e-commerce business. Today, we're continuing our Amazon sponsored products advertising strategies, and this week we're diving into offensive campaigns. Now, offensive campaigns have one main goal, and that's to steal sales from your competitors by targeting their brand name and product listings. Let's break it down into three key parts. The first one is sponsored products keyword campaigns. And with sponsored products keyword campaigns, you have to target your competitors' brand names as the keyword. I recommend using phrase and exact match types only. This way, it will make sure that your search terms must contain your competitor's brand name. If your competitor offers a wide range of products, make sure to include product-specific keywords that are closely related to your own offerings. This will keep your ad targeting accurate and relevant. Next is a sponsored product targeting campaigns. And in this strategy, you're directly targeting your competitors' product listings, especially the ones that are relevant to your own products. This allows your products to appear in the related products section on their listing pages, making it easier to divert shoppers over to your product listings. Finally, we have sponsored brand keyword campaigns. Here, just like the sponsored products keyword campaigns, you'll target your competitor's brand name with phrase or exact match types. If your competitor has a broad product lineup, include keywords that align with your product range. A key tip here is to make sure your ad copy explains why their customers should choose your brand over theirs. The audience you're targeting already have intent to purchase your competitor's product, so you will need to convince them otherwise. In summary, offensive campaigns are all about aggressively targeting your competitors' keywords and products to win over their customers. Next week, we'll be talking about ranking campaigns, which will focus on getting your products to rank higher in search results. Be sure to subscribe so you don't miss out, and leave a thumbs up if this video have helped you out.